I'm Captain Massoud. I'm a software engineer with the Army Software Factory at Army Futures Command. What I'm passionate about is helping soldiers. And right now I'm doing exactly that, helping soldiers make their life better through software. So the way we work with is we work with the user themselves through interviews and through different work group sessions to identify their main problems, and then through that we design the application to address those specific needs or those specific requirements. I look forward to continue working on very complex Army problems and continue to be able to add value and make soldiers' lives better over time through technology enablement. We want to bring software solutions to soldiers as soldiers so they don't have to go through the same pain as we did.